Hello and namaskar to all my joyful and beautiful companion of one world. Hopefully you all are good and doing great in your life. So today, as you can see that water is dropping in the bucket. So I want to just say one thing. Just I observed, so I share these things with you. We have many dreams, many desire, many ambition, many goals in life. But what happened? We have dream, we passion and ambition or anything goals in life, but somehow we sometimes stuck. We have a very large goal, but we sabotage in our goal sometimes. So it is important that, like the rain is dropping, it is important to take one step at a time, because the water is dropping. So one time definitely this bucket going to full, continuous dropping. So continuing persistence, perseverance and focused effort towards goal makes us reach towards our goal. Maybe we are not going very far, but definitely by little effort, like the rain is dropping, like the water is dropping, so by making little effort, definitely we should and we will reach our goal. We cannot do everything at a time, but definitely we can do certain step or at a step, definitely at a time. We have many things to do, but continuous and determined and unwavering effort every day towards our goal reach us towards our goal. Definitely, as you can see, every day at a step. This is very important. It is happen with everyone, maybe sometime or anytime in their life. So it is important to make everyday effort towards our goal. Maybe the goal is huge, maybe the 10 years plan, but everyday effort, persistence, perseverance and discipline, these things are very important. And slowly you can see that bucket is filling. So your small effort, you want to reach 100, but to reach the 100 you have to cross 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and continuously going on. So these steps needs to be taken. So that's I want to share, which I just observe, and just this thought comes in my mind. So I thought, why it is not that people sharing with you. So that is, maybe we cannot do everything in the world, but we can do something, and by doing something we really can do many things. And by doing many things, someday maybe, who can say, we can do everything what we want or what is our goal. So thank you so much. That's it. Persistent, continuous, determined effort of every day with perseverance and discipline, that is important to reach our goal. Thank you so very much. Love you all. Have a great day. Have a great time ahead. Thank you so much.